Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply this mosaic to our object. So you can find this mosaic here under object menu. So we have this create object mosaic. So let me give you a brief description about the mosaic. Mosaic is kind of art that we can use it for different images. So under Illustrator, this option is available. You can easily convert any selected object to this art, which is this mosaic. And also the second thing that you can get from this option is that you're going to get all the colors from the selected object. Even this can help you to create your color palette from selected object. So here I have different colors. So if I want to see all the colors and I want to apply this mosaic effect or mosaic art to this object, so this is not going to be a 100% effect that I'm going to apply, because it's not going to apply exactly the effect, but it's going to be like effect, which is this mosaic art. So I'm going to click on create object mosaic. So we have this window for this mosaic, and we can set the size, which is going to be the new size for the selected object, which I can set the width, I can set the height, and also we have this tile spacing and number of tiles. So first I'm going to set these tiles to 10 for the width, and for the height I'm going to set that to 10. And under options we have this constraint ratio, which we can set this width, height, and also I can select the result of, with the color and gray. And also two more options available, which I can select, which is this rasterize, use percentages, and delete raster. So I'm going to check which these option. If it's not checked, so make sure you check these two options. Rasterize, we're going to use it with percentage, using this percentages, and also we have delete rasters. So now we have this 10 for the width and we have 10 for the height. So I'm going to click on OK. So as you can see, automatically it's going to convert that. Let me Control C, Control V. I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to show you some difference that we can get with this object mosaic. So with the gray, you can see we have all the gray, but if you select that color and click on OK, so now we have this mosaic art. I can just right click and group, so I can move this box here, as you can see, just like a color palette that I can just create out of the selected object. So this time I'm going to click on create object mosaic. So I'm going to set that something like 30. So the more you're going to set the number of tiles, so the more you can get the mosaic design here for selected object. So if you set that 30 for the width and 30 for height, so I'm going to just click on OK. So as you can see, the more number of tiles, so the more it's going to make it a mosaic style or a mosaic art. So if I want to see some space, I want to add some space here with tile. So first I'm going to make that 20, and also for the height, so I want to add this 10 pixel for the width and 10 pixel for height for tile spacing. I'm going to click on OK. So we have the space, as you can see, the white space vertically here, and horizontally we have here. So let me show you the difference of this. Here if you select that width, so we have width, I'm going to just click on OK. So for this object I'm going to click on create object mosaic and click on height. So can you see the difference if there's anything? So nothing is actually changed here. It means that if you just go with this constraint ratio of height or width, so you're going to get the same result. But if you change the new size, definitely is going to be changed. But if you go with the width or height, if you change that something like here we have this 100, so I'm going to set this height to 50 and click on OK. So only we have the new size of this mosaic out of this, but we have all the same colors, but it changed my object with the selected new size. And also if I want to see all the gray colors, I want to create this object to a gray color, so I'm going to just click on create object mosaic, and here if you select this gray and click on OK, so only with gray I can see this white, this black, we have this dark gray, and also we have this light gray as well. So let me show you. I'm going to Control C Control V for this object. So I want to show you the difference mosaic that we can create. So with this object only, you can see we have this the black, we have this gray, we have white. So if I want to create this mosaic from this object, so I'm going to click on create object mosaic, and here as you can see this option is selected, which is this gray, and I'm going to just click on OK. So I'm going to select this. So this time with this object mosaic, I'm going to select this color for this options, which is constraint ratio. I'm going to click OK. So can you see any difference? Because for this object and also for this object, we only had this colors, which is this black, or we have this so we have now, which we convert that, we have this black, we have this white, we have dark gray and light gray. So there's going to be no difference if you're going to use any object into this style, into this mosaic in style, which you're going to apply this with the gray, you're going to get the same result without just select that to select this color, or if you just go with the gray, so definitely you're going to get the same colors here. Because with this object there is a lot of gray colors already available, so that's why it doesn't show me any color. But if there is any color with the selected of that color with create object mosaic, definitely you're going to see that colors with your objects. So this is how we can use this mosaic with Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to create a mosaic from selected object. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.